Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to create a viral story on Comic Book Creator. First, click on Viral Story. It will then prompt you to select an aesthetic number which corresponds to a particular style. After that, type up your story. For this demonstration, I selected Historical Stories and aesthetic number 9. Once you've made your selections, click Enter. Next, you'll be asked to choose a title. I am selecting The Voyage of the Vikings. The system will begin generating the story, including all chapters and panels in detail. I start by creating the first image and adding details to the first panel. The Viking character appears in the initial panel. Now I will select the second character image and proceed to the third one. The system generates the subsequent images, moving on to create panel 4. After that, I send panel 5 and select the text for panel 6. Sometimes the text generated is random, but you can edit it outside of ChatGPT using software like Photoshop. Panel 6 features a close-up image of the main character with text beneath it, which might also need editing. Remember, you don't have to follow GPT's output exactly. This demonstration is just to show you how the process works. You can personalize your text and prompts for a unique result, ensuring high-quality images and creativity. To learn more, visit our Gumroad page where you can purchase the tutorial by adding it to your cart. We also offer free resources, including a list of prompts you can download. That's it for today.